अभी कुछ पहले अमेरिका में खरीदी जाने वाली जगह का तस्करा किया, अब बढ़ते हैं यूके में जो जगह खरीदी है। इस हवाले से निगरान-ए-काबिनात के मदनी फूलों की जानिब, जबकि मदनी हल्के में शिरकत के मनाजिर भी देखिए।
My dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani channel, today we are in Oldham, a city in the north of the UK. The plot of land that you see behind me is currently being purchased by Dawat-e-Islami so that we can provide a building here for Dawat-e-Islami in which we will cover some of the majlises of Dawat-e-Islami, namely Madrasa, Jamia, Darul Madina, and we'll try to cover as many of the different aspects of Dawat-e-Islami, the different majlises, the different departments of Dawat-e-Islami in this plot. This is a long-term project and it needs a lot of physical and financial support. I appeal to each and every one of you out there to help us both physically and financially so that we, the road makers, can make the roads of the future so that our youngsters of the future can travel on this road and secure the Iman. My dear Islam brothers, please come forward and donate in this noble cause.
May Dawat-e-Islami be glorious in every corner of the world. May Dawat-e-Islami be glorious in every corner of the world. For the sake of Medina, we are calling upon you.